This story is called Baldi touches Rosie's glasses and gets grounded. Enjoy the video.
Hey, Baldi! Today, we're gonna go to Rosie's house.
No, I am not going to Rosie's house. Rosie the Scottie's house. Because Rosie sounds like a boy. What? He sounds like a boy, I guess. Yeah, he sounds like a boy.
Well, Baldi, do you know why that Rosie the Scottie sounds like a boy? Because he's old. Okay?
No, I am not going to Rosie the Scottie's house. Because he sounds like a boy.
Baldi, you're going to Rosie the Scottie's house, and that's final. Now let's go.
Oh, somebody's there. Who is it? Ding ding, ding ding. Whoa, I hear the bell ringing again. Let's see who it is. Oh, hi. Is that Baldi's mom?
Yes, I am her mom. And this is Baldi. Baldi always do lots of bad things.
Oh, Baldi always do something bad. Oh no, I think he better be good. Okay, let's go see our new baby sister. No, absolutely not. And Rosie the Scottie, you look like an old duck. Baldi, how dare you call me an old duck?
And Baldi, that is not nice to say. You need to be nice to Rosie.
Wait. That's why I called Rosie the Scottie an old duck, because she sounds like a boy.
Well, Baldi, you know why that Rosie the Scottie sounds like a boy. You know why? Because she's old. Now quit calling Rosie the Scottie an old duck.
You always did some bad things all day long. Now let's go see our new baby sister. Let's go now and quit calling me an old duck, because that is not nice.
Yeah, I agree with Rosie the Scottie. Let's go see our new baby. Let's go see Rosie the Scottie's new baby sister. Let's go.
Here's our new baby sister. Her name is Daisy. Wow, she's cute, right?
Yeah, I agree.
No, absolutely not. That baby looks like an old duck. That baby Scottie dog looks like an old duck too. Just like Rosie the Scottie. And you know what? I am going to touch Rosie's glasses. Baldi, how dare you touch my glasses? And how dare you insult insult my baby and call the baby an old duck? Just like you called me an old duck. That's it. Now I'm gonna give you 2 strikes. Now I'm gonna give you 3 strikes about touching my glasses. So you better not touch my glasses, or I'm gonna call your mom and she will ground you and she will send you back to your room. Well, I'm gonna touch your glasses for the second time. You better not, because I will talk to your mom about how bad you are. That's it. You just lost your second strike. Now you got one more strike left. If you touch my glasses one more time, I'm gonna call your mom. And I'm gonna talk to your mom about how bad you are. And I'm gonna talk to your mom about touching my glasses. Naughty boy. You know what? Rosie the old duck who sounds like a boy? You know what? I'm gonna touch your glasses. You better not, and you better stop calling me an old duck, because that is not nice to say. You better not touch my glasses again. If you touch my glasses, I'm gonna talk to your mom. That's it. I'm gonna talk to your mom and see what you did. You bad, naughty person. I'm gonna talk to your mom and see what you did. Baldi's mom. Look at what your son did. Your son just touched my glasses.
Wow! Baldi touched Rosie the Scottie's glasses and called her an old duck again?
Yes. Yes, Rosie called... Yeah. Baldi calls me an old duck. And Baldi also touches my glasses. That is not nice. You know that my glasses are glass. A little bit of glass.
Well, Baldi's gonna be so grounded. I'm gonna pick Baldi up now. Baldi, how dare you touch Rosie's glasses and call her an old duck? That's it. We're going home right now. You're in big trouble.
Vroom, vroom.
Baldi, I can't believe you. You are a bad person. I can't believe you call Rosie the Scottie an old duck and call Rosie the Scottie's baby an old duck and then touch Rosie's glasses. That's it. With your ruler. Yeah, I can't believe you touched Rosie's glasses with your ruler. That's it. I'm going to take your ruler away.
No! No! You got my ruler! Give it back to mine! Oh.
Too bad, Baldi. I'm taking your ruler away because you just called Rosie the Scottie and Rosie's baby an old duck, and you touched Rosie's glasses with your ruler. That you deserve it. You deserve to be grounded. See, I just took your ruler away. No more ruler for the rest of the week. And Baldi, and behavior card day before you're suspended for 1 day. That is not good at all, and no more fun. You know why?
What?
Because you're a troublemaking person. And you're grounded. See? No more roller for the rest of the week, and no more visiting your Baldi basic friends. Now go to your room now, you bad person.
Why?
Then, and stop crying like a baby.